G'day guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video I'm going to draw Doctor Strange, and thanks to Jackson for your request. I'm going to construct him up with head and a body, the legs, one leg, two legs. His jacket's going to come down here and here, and then his coat's going to come out there, one arm there, one hand there, one hand there, arms coming back in, and then he's got all these other details. You can pause on the construction lines to make sure you're getting it right. Okay, I'm going to start with the details now, and I'm going to draw his chin line in. His chin line comes across, back up, all the way up to there, about halfway. Now he's going to put his ear on, little simple ear, 1, 2. Now this is a caricature of Doctor Strange. It's not a realistic drawing, obviously. 1, 2, 3 bits of hair there, 1, 2, 3 bits of hair there. Now his hair's going to go into, I'm going to put a couple of little bits brushing over that way, like that. Bring it over, and that's part of his hair coming down there. Now one bit coming out, another bit coming up like that, and then it comes over this way like this. 1, and then bring that back down. So there's his hair. Now he's cranky. So before we're going to draw his cranky face, we're going to draw his beard and moustache. So bring a line coming down and then coming up and straight across. Then do the same on the other side. That's his beard. Now his mouth's going to be, and his mouth and moustache is going to be in here. So a curved line coming around like this, and then a line coming across there, and then he's got a bit of a cranky look. That's his mouth. A little bit of a nose. Now the eyebrows. Start with, give yourself some space, so 1 there, 1 there, little kick up like this. Do the same on the other side. Some of that eyebrows behind, and then an oval shape. Bring that down. Another one, and then we've got the black part of his eye. So make that circular, like the pupil with the white bit inside it. And he's going to have a dark eyebrow as well. Now we've got his body. So we're going to put a line down here for one part of the jacket, bring that across, then come back in and around, and then zigzag in, and then around like this for his jacket. We're going to do the same on the other side. We're going to bring that around, this one around like this, up. Leave a bit of a gap here for his belt. Up, and then we're going to bring this one. That line comes through like that. This line comes in, out, and then around this part of the jacket. Bring that in. Probably over exaggerated that, but that's okay. Bring an arm line out. Arm line out. Where his cuff on his jacket's going to be. This arm comes out. Same thing. Now he's going to have a thumb. And I'm going to make his hands look rounded. 1, 2, 3, 4. And put a little line there. So we're going to do the same for here. Little thumb coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a line there for the palm. Finish off the cuff of his shirt. Now his jacket's going to come down. It's up to you if you want to keep it straight or you want to put some bumps in there. You can put some bumps like this in. Your call, say like the folded parts on his jacket. Bring that in. Now his boots. Let's start with his leg. One part of his leg, another part of the leg. And he's got these parts here on his legs. Put a couple of little lines across. Now he's got his boots curve it around, and up, curve it around, then give him a sole. Another part of his boot, make it come over like that, curve that around to make it look like it's rounded. Finish his jacket through here, or his cape, sorry. Now let's put a belt on. So his belt's going to come all the way through here. And then we're going to put a little circle here, like a belt buckle type thing that holds his jacket on. And then bring that into there. Bring that down. Put a couple of little lines on to make it look like it's his belt. Now he's got a necklace on with an eye, so we're going to put that in behind there. And then put the necklacey bit in there. I'm just going to colour these eyes in. Yeah, eyes look good coloured in.